Right guys, welcome to a POV drive on the Audi S3. Accidentally did my windscreen there, but it's all good. Oh mate. Oh my days, bro. The back end is just fishtailing, mate. Back end is just fishtailing, bruv. You right, darling? Look who flash and that. You right, darling? With a prime and that, yeah. Where's the baby dad, cuzzy? Oh, mate, I'm just joking, man. I'm joking. Oh, she's on the ones as well. Whew, oh my God. Wait. Yo! Come on! Tell me this is not a Matic! Bro, don't even piss me off. Let me put the heating down, cuzzy. Don't piss me off, man. Don't piss me off, bro. Because I will whip this car, yeah? I will whip it like there's no tomorrow, fam. Don't piss me off, man. I swear to God, bro. Don't piss me off. Don't piss me off, bro. Which way are we going? We're going this way. Don't, I'm telling you now, yeah? Don't piss me off. Mate, I'm telling you now, yeah? I am telling you now, yeah? This weather, yeah? This is the right weather for this car. I'm telling you now, yeah? With the semi-slicks I got, yeah? This is the right weather for this car, bro. Honestly, the right weather. Oh, come, what you do? Oh, no way, man. Mate. What you telling me? Oh. I'm not gonna lie. I thought that was fair. I just went past, bro. Oh, mate. My heart literally just went. Oh, mate. Was ambulance. The ambulance. Paramedics. Bro. I just put 25 quid in the tank of the fuel, yeah? Gave me half a tank, yeah? God knows how much fuel I'm gonna have left after. Oh my days, bro. This car is just doing the maddest thing bro, this car is doing the madness, yeah? The maddest thing possible, imagine, bro. That's what this car is doing, bro. Honestly, it's doing the madness, cuzzy. Yo! Oh my God! We're wheel spinning in the front. Yo! Bro, I'm gassed! Bro, this number is just insane, bro. Insane. Oh my days, what you doing, car? Come on. Let's get it. Let's get with it. Let's get with it. Thank you. Like I was saying, this car is insane. This weather is built for me, bruv. This weather is literally built for me, bruv. Like, the road is slippery, yeah? The tire is semi-slick, yeah? But it's slippery enough for the back end to twitch and come out, yeah? But the power of the car and the quattro system is good enough to just catch it back, bruv. It's just ridiculously crazy. It is mad. Don't do it. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Bruv. Come on, bruv. Come on. Yo, bruv. This is ridiculous. It's just mad. You guys can hear that noise as well. Ridiculous. Oh, mate. This is insane. This is insanity, mate. Absolutely insanity. want to hit some more slippery roads, man. I want to get the back end out. Oh my days, that was my chance. Don't flash at me, you mongrel. Mate. This is ridiculously mad. This car is insane, bruv. Insane, bruv. Let me put the window down a little bit. You guys can hear the pups. Oh, this is my favorite turn here, guys. Watch. Watch. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yo! Bro! 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 Yo! Bro! Oh my days, bro! Yo! Oh, bro! Oh my god! Bro! Nah! Nah! Bro! Yo! Come on! Yo! That was something else, man! Yo! Bro, did you see what happened in that, on that? Oh mate, I can't even talk, I'm that speechless. Did you see what happened in that freaking turn, bruv? Oh my god, bruv, the back end we literally drifted, bruv. We literally drifted, bruv. What the hell, bro? A quattro car, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Woo! Come on, you bumper car. Bro, I'm so gassed up right now, yeah? Watch when we come back down this road, mate. Oh, mate, the froth levels right now are freaking mad. Come on. Bro, the way I'm whipping the car, the way I'm whipping it, aye! You guys don't even understand. The way I'm just whipping and turning the steering wheel, chat, let's do U-turn. U-turn, we go back down, you guys will see. Down the hill, let's go, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yo, get in your lane, cuzzy. Come on. Come on, boy. Bro. What are you telling me? Down the hill, let's go. Pegging it down. The brakes as well on this is just absolutely insane, bro. Mate, what a car. What a car, bruv. What a car. I'm telling you now, what a car, bruv. What a car. Oh, mate, now we need to go back and redo that. I was in auto instead of manual, using the flappies, man. I need that back end to come out today. It's been coming out all day before I freaking wanted to shoot this video, yeah? I want that back end out, cuz out. Oh, mate. Come on, boy. I am a B-road basher. Come on. Give me that. Give me the power. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. And then just dig it in that corner, mate. Dig it in. Dig it in. Come on, boy. Come on. Bro, come to the B road, yeah, and try it with me, cuz watch. I'll rinse you, bruv. I will rinse you, cuzzy. I will rinse you, bruv. What are you telling me, bro? I will rinse you, cuzzy. Come to the countryside with me, yeah? I will bro, anyone, any car. Watch. Lambos, Bugattis, Ferraris, Porsches. Come, bruv. Come. I'll show you how it's done. I will show you, man, dems. Come on, bro. That was the back end now, bro. Come on, man. Come with me. I'll show you how it's done in the countryside roads, bro. You don't know, Kazi. You don't know. Look at his blood clots. You don't know, bro. This is my roads, fam. Braking, obviously the EBC yellow stuff coming in clutch with the braking there, yeah. It's a bit of a madness, cause you get me. Just this thing, oh my God, the hairpin. Mate. I'm gonna wrap that one there up because that there was a madness, cuzzy. Yo. Whew. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh mate. I'm losing my voice. I'm losing my freaking voice, man. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. Honestly, I'm gonna see if I can get a slide out in this bit here, because this bit here is actually quite good. This bit here is actually quite good. Oh no, the ice is all pretty much gone now. But let's see what we can do anyway. Let's see what we can do. Oi! What are you telling me? What are you telling me? Actually, there's a lot of ice on this bit here. I think I might be able to do something. Let's see what we can do. Bro, you guys got me all sweating up, cuzzy. You got me all sweaty, man. Bro. Whoo! I'm telling you now, yeah. Bring your BMWs out in this weather, yeah, and watch. Bring your Beamers, bro. Bring your Beamers, fam. All right, let's see what we got. Come on, boy. It grips, man. It grips. It's got that level of back end coming out, but it still grips like no man's business, fam. I'm telling you guys now. Yo, that was a madness, bro. I'm sweating, yeah, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Porsches, McLarens, Bugatti, Lamborghini, bring them out, cuzzy. Bring them out, bro. You don't know me when it comes to the B-rolls, fam. You got all these straight line bashers and all of them things, yeah, doing the most, yeah, when it comes to the straight lines and that, yeah, because you can't really do much, yeah. You're in a straight line is a little bit safe. It's very safe in a straight line. But bro, in the countryside, yeah, when it comes to the twists, the turns, everything, yeah, come see me, bro. That's where the real driving is, fam. That is where the real driving is, bro, and that's where I perform. That's where I shine, bro. When it comes to the B-road, yeah, man is different level, cuzzy. Bro, don't mess with me, bro. Right, let me give you guys a little rev before I shut the thing down, you get me? Let me give you guys a little 1-2 revs. Are you guys ready? Bro, I can literally smell my brakes, bro. My brakes are literally stinking, bro. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready, fam? Bro, tell me that's not mad. Bro, tell me that's not mad. Bro, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, yeah? Bro, hit it right now. Hit that subscribe button right now, yeah? Like the video if you want to see more videos like this, some bad man driving, yeah? Bro, I might even get like 2, 3, 4, 5 cars on the roads as well, just bashing out the roads, yeah? You feel me? Whew, it's been a mad night, cuz I'm not even gonna lie, bro. But yeah, like I said, hit that subscribe button, yeah? Comment down below and tell me if you enjoyed the video, yeah? And tell me if you want to see more of this bad man driving on the channel, yeah? And also, subscribe, comment, share the video so every other people out there that think that they're a bad man road basher, yeah, they can see what I just done, yeah, so that you'll be able to compare and see if they're as bad as me, yeah, because I'm telling you now, they ain't as bad as me, you feel me, cuzzy? But yeah, man, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.